Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet handbag designs. Crochet handbags are a great way to learn new stitches with picture a great deal for time and make small crochet designs. A crochet handbag design as a simple or elaborate you as a one design. A crochet handbag design this common design for used. All of these designs look great so find your favorite pattern now. These crochet patterns are having to all fabulous design from easy. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their make shine more and more. These crochet handbag designs are simple to make a will look stylish and unique one of the little one. This colorful pattern used on your party functions and everyday pattern. Crochet handbag designs pattern are one of the cutest items you can make as a shower gift for your friend. The crochet handbag pattern are designed with simple stitches so these sweet patterns should work fast at first. Crochet handbag design so beautiful and unique. So here the sweet idea for creating this bag winning design of using some custom color shaded yarn your crochet handbag pattern designs. I hope you enjoy this collection for crochet handbag patterns. If you like crochet more free patterns, check out of your crochet pattern collection below. These free patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker the design of crochet every day. This is the cute free crochet handbag pattern based around the design of hearts. Most of the crochet patterns below use simple beginner-friendly stitches like the single crochet stitch, which means they are the mostly easy to crochet handbag patterns. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you if you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So we will share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.